Hi, welcome back to our channel. So, I don't have a good reason that this is the video we're doing today. You ever noticed, well, this snack we have in our house all the time. Also today we have Sid. Sammy will also be coming in and out today. We will be making all of the gourmet crackers, I guess, on the back of the Ritz box, because I don't think I've ever heard of anyone actually making things with Ritz except for like cheese and crackers and putting it on mac and cheese. We have all of the ingredients spread out in front of us, and this is gonna take a while, so we're just gonna get to work and we're gonna decide which ones are our favorite after. We also said we'd say what we think our favorite is gonna be beforehand. I think my favorite is going to be the birthday party one, which is the white chocolate and sprinkles. Then
season premiere party.
Peanut butter, white chocolate coated popcorn, and milk chocolate. Sam can't eat any of them because all of them have dairy in them.
Go with the guac one.
So we're gonna start with the one that's probably gonna take the longest, and that's the pizza one. Let's just get right into it, shall we? These groupings, we have to do 5 crackers because everyone in the family wants to try it. Oh. If you want to put some of these on the crackers. It's a very thin pizza sauce. I don't really feel good about that.
Oh yeah, I've got the strategy now.
Strategy?
There's a strategy to
I'm
this.
glad you can take a skill out of this experiment that we're doing today.
Yes.
Making crackers.
Can I eat it now?
No, you cannot eat it. Oh, do you like cold pizza sauce?
Oh wow. Yeah.
Place some pepperoni on them. Would you like some pepperoni?
Yes.
Look at those, look so cute.
So this is where the guesswork comes in. We need a pan. I don't know how long we should put these in the oven for. I'm gonna spray it.
I don't think you should spray it because it's crackers. That's grody.
But like, are they gonna stick? I've never put crackers in
Ben?
the oven before.
I voted
Robotics.
for making it, but she said no.
We're not putting crackers in the microwave. That feels gross. 5 minutes?
Yeah. They're tiny.
5
We're just
minutes
checking
and
like
we'll
every
look at
minute.
I don't cook.
Alright. Your job. No, we'll put
Heat.
this to lamb. Put this in a small bowl, heat up some pulled porky.
Put some barbecue in it or not?
Little bit. Little bit of barbecue. What next?
Guacamole.
I think
No,
this is my
we
favorite.
tried
What is that? That.
We're gonna make.
Are you done?
Let's get a little before.
All right, so now
Alright, what
we're
are we
gonna
doing?
make the one that's probably the easiest and the one all of us are gonna like the least. Cream cheese, strawberry preserves, and toasted almonds. That just doesn't.
Toasted almond sounds good.
This is gonna be like mom's favorite. You know, they literally call it book club. They know who their target audience is.
I see. TikTok break. That's all. Time to get back to cooking. 13, 12, 11.
The chocolate seas.
Oh my god, that looks so good.
Hold on, I gotta
Beautiful.
get the meat in there too. Because we're
dump the
doing
meat in
so many heckin' crackers.
Hi, Pork.
But
Pork,
hot.
come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. Shake. Good boy. Oh, hey, Riley.
We're being quiet because my dad's on the phone. All right, so now is kind of the crunch time where we're dipping both popcorn and crackers. Get it close up on what Ben's doing because these are going to be my favorite. by far.
Ooh, and Payne's making the.
She's making the donuts.
Make it
I
real.
don't. I make the donut.
I thought you didn't make the
Well, I
donuts.
don't, but if anyone wants to make
It
donuts.
has no dairy on it yet.
It should be you. Wow, she's the queen of the donuts.
Maybe a
For a close up.
I wish totally made more than.
Sorry, I'm a little slow.
I'm gonna eat a hot fire with popcorn.
I could have used my dairy-free cheese.
Guys, this is actually going pretty good. I don't know why I thought this was going to be like ultimate disaster, but it's the 4 of us trying to accomplish anything, so I guess it makes sense why I was nervous.
Oh, the meat.
So I'm just eating popcorn. What else is new?
Ben heated up the pulled pork.
Look at a couple. That looks good.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Wow, he's really good. He doesn't use plates.
I don't know if spraying it was the right thing to do. So
I don't think it was either. It might have
okay,
made them wet
to
at
be
the
fair,
bottom.
Only one of them has gotten stuck. Look at that.
Those look good.
Those might be good.
Do I feed a jalapeno to the pork?
Do it.
This feels like a really,
Do we
really
have
bad
water?
idea.
Give him part of it.
No, what if he has an allergic reaction?
Yeah. No, he's not going to.
We're all doing stuff at the same time, but now we're gonna slow down a minute and we're all gonna work together. Am I right, ladies?
Teamwork.
Hey, do you guys know what men are for? Doing the
the
dishes.
Is this your dish?
Women are here to make the donuts.
No,
For context, my sister works at a donut shop.
I don't make donuts.
You have to melt this. I'll take yourself on your quest, or I'll take a brick and film.
All right.
So we're gonna lose about half of the cracker on these.
The hot pepper challenge. Welcome to TikTok,
Ow.
everybody.
We don't sneeze in the kitchen here.
Probably shouldn't.
I mean,
This plate's pretty.
Okay.
All right, that might be too much coleslaw.
no.
So we are completely done with two of them. One of them is almost done.
Uh-oh. Maybe a little longer.
Can I try?
Hey, that's better. How did you do that?
Skill.
Oh,
Ooh, but look at what Sid's doing there too.
Oh, that looks
It's
good.
not as important, but wow.
it's a thick cracker, I
That
think.
is a thick cracker. I'm gonna start the tailgate party one.
My brain is going crazy right now, smelling the chocolate and pulling the pork.
Beans are done.
Time to make the last ones. And the last ones are the nice guacamole ones that Sid's most excited for.
Look at those.
We've been talking about this. They look better on there than they do on the back of the box. So like,
They do. Like, let's compare really quick. 3 almonds. Yeah, right.
what do we start with? Let's catch up a little bit. How you doing? How you been? It's been a while.
Oh, I hate you. The life update.
Yeah, it's a big
Huge
one.
life update.
I'm gonna wait till Ben's in the frame so we can like say it together. All right, so I'll say it while Ben and I are at least
Oh
both
yeah,
here.
I'm right here. Hello.
We're moving to Florida.
And we live in New Hampshire, by the way.
So we've got big life changes coming up. He has a job. I'm still looking. If anyone's hiring in Florida, hit me up. Let me know. But yeah, so we've got our last few weeks here at the house, packing and getting ready to go. We have our apartment, and a lot has been settled. So we'll be filming that whole. Sam, hey,
You're an idiot. I love you, but you're an idiot.
Just wanted to let everyone know that we are making life rich right now.
Don't be sad that it is over.
Big
Happy
mistakes
that it
take
happened.
big erasers. Am I right, ladies?
all this
That was
happened.
disgusting.
It's not my fault. You don't like black beans.
Not my fault. You
This is
destroyed the
gonna be
cracker with the sour
chocolate
cream.
Vanilla and chocolate. 7 dip layered, what you're making right now.
7-layer dip.
Same thing.
Shut up.
7 dip layer.
Remember Brenda's song going to the market every week forever?
I
I think they're all done.
Not a way to the fat lady sings. Ben, you ready
Yeah,
to sing?
baby.
Ouch.
What am I going to do?
Nothing.
Sid said, it's not over till the fat lady sings, and then said, Ben, you ready?
Oh.
All right, so before we even try these on ourselves, we're gonna take it to our strongest critic.
Mr. Taylor? Are you ready? To taste
We need
test?
a test subject.
Yes, 1 second.
Okay. Yeah, if you had to guess to start.
I'm going pulled pork here. That jalapeno is going to light me up though a bit.
Uh-huh.
It looks good. Nice presentation.
Yeah, we're going all for taste here.
It's actually very good.
Well, now you got 4 more good crackers to eat.
Yes, they look a little
I
droopy.
put out.
No.
Oh, he shook.
Yeah, you can go with the almonds.
That's a mom cracker.
Very sweet.
Last, the rest of them are really good.
No,
That's it?
that's not how ratings
Yes.
work. That one's the best. All right, I'll take that. I'll take last and best.
That one's the best. That's the best dessert. And that's That just didn't work.
Alright. Do I have to try the pizza one?
Yes.
Yes. We all have to do it.
You have to try all of them. I hate sour cream, and I'm still gonna try that one.
Yeah, me too.
Alright, I expected this one to be my favorite. You can pass forward.
Speed.
Sorry.
Because you have the most basic taste buds out of anyone here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bottom to top.
Bottom, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth.
All right. All right, it's Ben's turn.
I mean, everyone else here has been foolish and not watched, so I'm obviously going to have the best rating.
Neither of us are gonna like those very much.
1, 2, 3.
All right.
All right, this is what I thought was going to be the best.
That why?
If I had to eat an entire plate, I would like that the best.
Wow.
But total rating? 1, 2, 3.
But the whole 9 yards. What's your rating?
29 yards. 0.
Okay.
Sorry, 6. 0 out of 10, but it is 6. 5, 4, no, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Intriguing. Now the moment you've all been waiting for, the true palate expert taking a peek at all of these. Whoops. Do I like coleslaw?
Then I was.
Let's see.
Want to close up?
Yes.
Nice music.
Yes.
I like them. They're good.
All
Alright, I'm gonna put it my final. I will say 0.
Yep.
Or 6.
I did too.
Even though it's, you know what, no, I'm gonna say this is my 6, just because I hate sour cream. So
You
it's
are
opinion
such a
based.
baby.
5,
Such a baby. That's obviously the worst one.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
So Sammy wanted to be a part of the action, but without dairy, so she did a nice strawberry jam and almond one without the cream cheese.
That's really good.
It's really good.
Wow. Okay, well that's easy. That's pizza.
Yes.
That's the peanut butter chocolate drizzle.
Mm-hmm.
That's like candy.
Yeah.
Pulled pork, coleslaw, and I don't know what that is.
Jalapeno.
Ooh, no.
It's actually not bad. I ate it and I didn't even taste the spice. It's just a nice crunch. And
They're
you
all
gotta
good.
you gotta try all of them because we all ate all of them.
No, I do not.
They're all good.
No, you have to try all of
All
them.
right, so this is the one that's the least favorite, you said?
Oh, wait, well,
You're
it's
not
good.
supposed to give opinions. Let her make her own.
Sorry, it's soggy. So
Oh no,
just
you can
try-
one bite these. Oh, she's so dainty and polite. Did it in the oven.
Candy.
Yeah.
Can't believe she's half biting these. No one else did that.
Oh, I gotta go back to my favorites after.
Good.
Classic nacho panda.
What happens if you don't like coleslaw?
I thought I didn't. It's fire. That one's like, I really liked that one. No, you gotta eat it with the almonds on it.
No.
Mom, you gotta eat it with the
Cece.
almonds on it.
I don't like almonds.
Mom, you have to eat it with the... You're the pickiest eater out of everyone here.
Oh, no, Mom, I don't like jalapenos. Probably least favorite because I don't like coleslaw or.
Okay.
I'll move it. Then that because I don't like almonds.
She's completely reversed.
Then that because it got soggy. Then that, then that, then that.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Peyton from the future here because apparently I forgot to ever close out this video that I filmed a month ago. So just to summarize it at the end, basically the one that did the best was either the cracker with the icing white chocolate on it or the pulled pork one. And everyone's least favorite across the board was basically the pizza one. We have not tried to make it again since then, but this was really fun. I really recommend trying this, especially the pulled pork one. It was really good, and I don't like jalapeno or coleslaw normally, but Ben did wash the seeds out of the jalapeno. Thank you guys for watching. I know I've been gone for a while. I'm actually filming this from my new apartment in Tampa. Whole video coming on that hopefully next week now that we're getting back into the swing of things and life isn't as chaotic anymore. I hope you are doing well. I hope you're all staying safe, and thank you for watching. Bye.